Alright, how's it going, YouTube? So we back out with the Losi. This is the stock setup. I just switched the body. That other body was beat up. This one is too, but I'm not sure which body I want to go with, so we're going to see which body run better. So I did some changes. Well, let's see if it's worked. And I did come to the spot and hopefully it hooks up and it goes straight. So we will be able to test the difference between that bumpy lot. Yesterday, I believe the lowest I got with this yesterday was a 2.9. If I'm not mistaken, it might have been a 3.0. So let's see what it does today on the GNSS. I also brought back out my green one. Hopefully that one is ready too. So let's go ahead and set this up and get some passes in. All right, y'all, this is the first hit with the changes, so let's see what it does. Notice the brake is up kind of high. I do need to adjust that. Was a good takeoff. Body a little bit lopsided, but we'll figure that out. All right. If y'all can't see, I noticed yesterday I couldn't see this, so if y'all can't see it, I'll definitely be snapshotting it. But it says I ran 2.6 at 52, so I'm gonna snapshot that, probably put it on the screen if y'all can't see that. So 2.6, that's where I wanted to be around. So let's try again, a couple more hits and then go from there. All right, y'all. That didn't go as planned, huh? Like the way the these is also with the wide reaction, so let's see. Got a cog off the line for sure. See what it did. 2.8 at 52. I'm at 52. That's might need a little bit more mile an hour, but the acceleration is progressing for sure. So let's get a few more. Damn, what could I change right now on that thing? All right, guys, I did turn the brake down, so let's see what it does. Get a little burnout. See what it do. Brake is working better. Turned that down. Still a little cogging off the line. She's pulling a lot too. I used to use Hoosiers on this. I might put the Hoosiers back. These the wide reactions, they don't work for me for some reason. That's 3.0 at 51. So that was a slight delay off the line. All right, y'all, so I adjusted the punch level and messed with the brakes, so let's see what happens. That was me overcorrecting, y'all. Yes, that was. Let's try that again. All right, y'all, see what she do. Not bad. Still got a little cogging off the line. Does have a slipper clutch, so I think if I loosen that up, it'll spin before it cogs. So probably would lose ET with that too. We did 2.8 at 51. So I did lose mile per hour. So let me bring that punch back up and see if that helps. All right, y'all, some more changes. Let's see if it works. Did loosen up the zipper clutch just a little bit, so it stopped the car getting putting too much pressure on it. Did 2.8 at 51. So I think I might have to gear up one. As long as I can get rid of the cogging, I should be alright, but we'll work that out. I'll get one more hit in and go from there. There we go. My tire came off over there. I gotta go get that. Let's see what it ran. 2.9 at 47. Hopefully I can find my the nut that goes on the wheel. So let's go down there and see. So I found the wheel, but I don't know if I'll be able to find that nut. We will see. We will see. Yep, I found that nut, y'all. That is what I was looking for. I probably need to put some more Loctite, but for tomorrow, I think I'm gonna put back on the regular nuts and go from there. I don't need no problem. Shout out to the mailman. My man come through, drop packages off for me. Now I'm just messing around. He was over there just chilling. All right, guys, I did some slight changes from yesterday. It's a different surface, so let's see if this car go down there straight. See what happens. Says 2.7 at 62 miles an hour. Not bad. Let's get another one. See if it handles it, y'all. .25 at 63. Not bad, definitely. Taking it off the line, keep turning it up, see if the numbers drop. .25 at 63. Wow. Broke the wheelie bar wheel off.
Guy.
Yeah. I'm messing with that green car.
What are you doing?
I was just messing with the stock car too. I'm about to go to Scott and buy some more stuff. I like it. My boy Julio. We got him another bill. We'll hit the brake. Oh, Papa, what happened? Yo, my man, just that's the first time me seeing a car, you already destroyed that. Yeah, that's crazy. Oh man. And listen, we got a few more. I'll get one more test hit in with this 102, and then we're gonna call it a wrap. Oh man. Look at the damage, man. My boy broke everything. The chassis.
Oh no, Dios.
Oh, the battery messed up. Look. Man, fan shattered.
¿Cuántas millas? How much fire?
Yeah, that was full throttle into the thing. Check my man that out. Yeah, my man was full throttle into that fence, man. Damn, that sucked. Crazy. Everything still working?
Maybe new boat, new chassis, that's it. Yeah?
Alright, y'all. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. We're gonna be at the track.
Maybe only once.
Sounding good.